How to fix some websites not loading or opening in any browser issue. So if you want to fix some websites are not loading or opening in any browser, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your settings. Right click on your Windows and then click on settings. Now under settings, you just need to simply go with find a setting, and here you need to search for proxy. Go with proxy settings. Now under proxy settings, if you've turned on your proxy, then you just need to simply go and turn it off. Make sure that it is turned off. Once your proxy is turned off, then you need to go with the next solution, which is go with search. And under search, you need to search for ncpa.cpl and hit the enter. Once you open this, now you just need to simply go with the network connection that you're using. So you can simply select Ethernet if you're using that, or you can go with Wi-Fi if you're using your Wi-Fi. So right click on it and then go with properties. Now under your properties, you need to go with Internet Protocol version 4 and then go with properties again. And here you need to select use the following DNS server address. On the top, you need to enter 8 space 8 space 8 space 8. And on the bottom, you need to go with 8484 and then hit the enter or OK. After that, click on OK and click on OK again and then go back. And now you need to go with CMD, which is command prompt. Click as run as administrator, click on yes, and now you need to enter some command. So the first command goes like ipconfig space / DNS and then hit the enter and wait for a few minutes till it flushes the DNS. And once you've done with it, you just need to simply go back, exit that, and then restart your device. After restarting, you will fix your websites not loading or opening in your browser issue. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.